Welcome to the channel. The time is here. Freedom Street is actually upon us. Alright, so in this video, we are going to share celebrities we touched down for the Freedom Street concert. Starting off with Spice. You know she had the queen of dancehall. And we can't let for Twinkle right there, so. Grams Morgan also touched down. So you know say a whole heap of people respect Vybz Kartel and I go show him the support.
Nah, no way. You think they're foreign this? You think I'm foreign with that? You think I'm foreign?
I want to get in my blue and I'm going to start.
This is not foreign. This is not foreign.
So I start talking to me no more.
You know, see me there, Africa girl.
I look on God, make me scared today. Look on God.
People don't matter if we come off of the phone. We just like Jamaica. Oh, it go. I'm not foreign with that. This is not foreign. Who's that in blue around there? Girl, if you're not foreign, look at the girl. Calm down if you're not foreign. My Twinkle.
So we even have the big bad Busta Rhymes, you know, American rapper with Jamaican heritage. Him actually touched down too. So I'm going to share a snippet of Busta Rhymes in a private jet for the Freedom Street concert.
Happy New Year already. 2025. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's starting to feel real 2025-ish already. It's December 30th. But we in 2025 already, so Happy New Year to everybody. And I'll say it again on New Year's Eve at midnight. And it's strike 12 and we, you know, the ball drop and all of that. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody in advance. Jamaica, we on our way. Freedom Street will soon reach. Welcome to Uticus Airline. Inside the dancehall is Uticus Airline. Welcome to Uticus Airline. Freedom Street to Sunridge, Uticus Airlines. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Dorian, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year, Buster.
And you know, so we can't leave out one of the biggest blogger in America, Jamaican born, Spanish town, AKADEMIKS, aka Big Ak. You know, Ak is a long time Vybz Kartel fan. Vybz Kartel I'm favorite artist. Him always mention that AKADEMIKS didn't even have time to interview the boss. And in the interview, world boss I make you know say yo, enough of them artists here I buy my style, them buy my image, everything, my influence. And if you put 2 and 2 together, enough people know what Aka try do. He might try make reference to Alkaline and the rest of artists them were anti-Gaza.
That everyone knows is biting my style, biting my image, biting my persona.
Do you think it's biting, or do you think it's you know, because as you said, influence.
Yeah.
You influence everybody who we see tattoo themselves up on a page. I don't think they're buying your style. I think they're influenced.
Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You think Freedom Street are going to be one of the biggest show, and should it be an annual event?